Before buying a door draft stopper, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Grow Theory Draft Stopper. Let's kick things off with the Grow Theory 2-pack door draft stopper. Priced at just $8.52, this one caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 38,000 reviews. If you're looking for effective noise reduction while also keeping your space insulated, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this Grow Theory draft stopper is a solid choice. Made from flexible silicone, it can bend and adapt to any door without damaging your flooring. With a size of 2 inches wide and 39 inches long, it can fill gaps effectively, reducing noise from outside and preventing dust from sneaking in. People rave about how it not only keeps the temperature steady but also saves money on energy bills, something that matters a lot in extreme weather. Now, some users did mention that the adhesive could wear out over time. Here's the thing though, if you're mindful of the installation and ensure the surface is clean, it should last quite a while. This product is perfect for anyone looking to create a quieter and more energy-efficient home without spending a fortune. Alright, if you're not into adhesive types, the next one might actually be even better for a more adjustable solution. Product number 2, Holacme Draft Stopper. Next up, we have the Holacme Door Draft Stopper. This one is priced at $6.64 and has a similar rating of 4.3 stars with around 48,500 reviews. If you want something that can adapt to different door sizes, this is definitely worth considering. It's easy to install, claimed to take just about 2 minutes. This is a big deal for anyone who isn't too handy, right? Plus, it's made from non-toxic materials, making it a safe choice for homes with kids or pets. Some users expressed concerns about its effectiveness on textured doors. But honestly, as long as your door surface is relatively smooth, you shouldn't run into major issues. This product is great for you if you're looking for something economical and easy to set up without excess hassle. If you want a design that really focuses on noise insulation, the next one is a fantastic option. Product number 3, Pundin Draft Stopper. Now let's take a look at the Pundin Adjustable Door Sweep. It's priced at $7.49 and boasts a 4.5-star rating with 614 reviews. If you're in need of something that effectively blocks both noise and drafts, this could be the solution. This draft stopper is made from thickened silicone, which is both heat and cold resistant. The unique hollow arc cavity design doesn't just block cold air but also reduces noise, so whether it's footsteps or conversations from the other room, you'll find more peace in your space. One downside is that some people found installation tricky if the door wasn't level. But look, if you're willing to take the time to measure properly and ensure the door surface is prepared, you'll likely find that it works incredibly well. This draft stopper shines for those who prioritize both comfort and tranquility in their home. If you want a more easily adjustable solution, the next one on the list might catch your interest. Product number 4, Holacme Adjustable Draft Stopper. Next, we have another option from Holacme, their adjustable draft stopper, priced at $9.99. With a rating of 4.2 stars and over 33,400 reviews, this product promises convenience and effectiveness. This draft stopper is easy to install and designed to fit most door sizes, with a unique hook and loop fastener that keeps everything secure even as the door opens and closes. It can block light, smoke, and even cold drafts, which makes it a great all-around solution for home comfort. The removable washable design is also a big plus. You can keep it clean without hassle. However, some users mentioned that it might not fit well under doors with a height exceeding 0.3 inches. Here's the thing though, if you have standard doors, this shouldn't be much of a concern and can actually be a great investment for improving indoor comfort. If you're looking for something that stays in place and is easy to maintain, the final product on our list is a fantastic alternative. Product number 5, MAXDID Draft Stopper. Finally, we have the MAXDID Large Door Draft Stopper, priced at $16.99. With a rating of 4.3 stars and over 11,200 reviews, this one is designed for larger gaps, making it a great choice if your doors have a substantial space underneath. This draft stopper features a foam diameter of 2 inches, making it effective for gaps from 0.5 to 1.7 inches. It blocks cold air, noise, and even light, which can significantly improve your sleep quality if you place it in your bedroom. Plus, it won't damage your door, so it's a practical choice for long-term use. A concern raised by some users is that it isn't designed for exterior doors with a threshold. However, if you're focusing on interior doors, this could be exactly what you're looking for. It's an essential home gadget that brings comfort without breaking the bank. Now that you've seen all 5 options, you'll have a better idea of what fits your needs best. To wrap it up, we've explored the Grow Theory and Holochmy draft stoppers for budget-conscious consumers, the Pundin and Holochmy adjustable options for versatility, and finally, the MAXDID for those with larger gaps. Each of these has something unique to offer depending on your specific needs. So take your pick and enjoy a quieter home.